we're going to put a anchor chain tensioner on the boat. So my new Mantis anchor ain't held down by zip ties. We're going to put it right here by the solar vent, and we're going to install a Mantis swivel. So stay tuned to watch that. Right there, huh? Looks good to me. Oh, I hate drilling holes. Look how dry that core is. The butyl tape. It's if you own a boat, you need to have at least, I'd say, 60 feet. Some good stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to do it right here like this, like that, and then cut it. That's a fail. Try this again. Better pair. Just like that. Now my partner's gonna go downstairs and put the other pieces on and hold it with a pair of pliers while I tighten them up here with a screwdriver. Someone's holding the nut down below. Oh, they come undone. Now we're going to do the Mantis swivel, attach it to the Mantis anchor, to the chain, and then we're going to attach the chain to the tensioner, which I still have to put it together. And then we'll see what happens after that. Stop it. Of course it's got to rain. Dang it. Stop the camera. What am I doing wrong here? You gotta put this in first. There we go. Yeah, we'll do that. Let's Teflon tape this. Let's see, it goes on, so it's got to go around this way. Now we put this on there. I'm gonna use some wire. Come on, get started in there. I don't think you should have that tightened. Very tight.
I if you want it tight, wouldn't you?
About right there. So it'll swivel like this. No matter how it's bound up, it'll stay like that. And we got the mousing wire. I call it mousing wire. I don't know what people call it, but looks like it came with more than one piece. I'm gonna need my wire cutters. I wanted to go around this way, so then we're going to tuck this. They're going to take this extra piece here. We're just going to tuck it over. Like that. And it's installed. Now we could do away with the zip ties that was holding the anchor down. And open the hose pipe. That'll work. There. It's a project done. We got that project done. So we got the water tank filling. So I'm gonna run the engine. I do it once a week. It's that time of week. So we'll start the engine, let it warm up, run it through some gears, and make sure everything stays lubricated and doesn't dry on us. We're gonna let it run for about 15 minutes and call it a day, because tomorrow I'm gonna change the oil and all the filters in the engine. That's gonna be a fun video to make, I'm sure.